Have you ever wondered why tanzanites are always heated? This rare gemstone found only in one location on Earth, the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. This gemstone has a beautiful blue-violet hue that is highly sought after by jewelry enthusiasts. While tanzanite is stunning in its natural state, it is often heated to enhance its color, making it even more spectacular. In this blog post, we will dive into the science behind this process and explain why tanzanite is always heated. Tanzanite is a stunning and rare gemstone found exclusively in Tanzania. It has an exquisite blue-violet hue and is considered to be one of the most valuable and sought-after gemstones in the world. Tanzanite belongs to the family of minerals known as zoisite, and it was discovered in 1967 by a Maasai tribesman in the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. Tanzanite can vary in color, ranging from deep blue to deep purples. The unique coloring of tanzanite is due to its exposure to certain temperatures and chemical composition. It is considered an ideal stone for jewelry due to its rareness and beauty. Tanzanite is a unique gemstone in that it must always be treated before it can be used in jewelry. This treatment process, known as heating, changes the color of the stone from its natural light brownish to its more attractive blue-purple color. Heat treatment also improves the clarity of the stone and makes it more durable. The heat treatment of tanzanite involves exposing the stone to temperatures of up to 700 degrees Celsius for a few hours. Tanzanite must always be treated because its natural brown color does not have enough appeal for most people, and it would not make for a desirable gemstone if left untreated. The heat treatment of tanzanite does not make the stone less valuable, and in fact, it can even make it more valuable. At GemsBiz, we offer a wide range of stunning tanzanite gemstones, tanzanite beads and tanzanite cabochons in various shapes, sizes, and colors. Our stones have been sourced from the finest locations and have been expertly cut and polished to reveal their incredible beauty. If you are looking for a truly unique piece of jewelry, you can't go wrong with a tanzanite gemstone from GemsBiz. Visit us today to browse our blue gemstones selection and find your perfect stone. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our site gemsbiz.com.